Hello, cutie.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, this one.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, this one is my
They all want attention.
dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. Oh, my God. So funny. You're going to miss the show otherwise. Oh, you're gonna miss the show otherwise. The talk off of the show. Okay,
I don't know how small is this thing. You can get to the show easily.
There's a stand thing that's building opposite us here. Too. Every, like in the morning and the evening, we see that thing out. Yeah.
Time, speaker is right over there. So in that period of time, the female will actually start to molt out most of her tail and wing feathers, and she's doing this for two very important reasons. She firstly uses her feathers as a nice comfy cushion to lay and incubate her eggs on.
See how she's making everyone scared.
Menu items, their number one preferred dietary item on their list of things to eat are snakes. So what they would typically do if they were to find one in the wild is they would go for the head region first. They know that the head is always the most dangerous part of an animal. They'll grab the snake behind the head, they'll kill it, and then they'll proceed to just simply beat, bash, and pound the living daylights out of the poor creature. Not only killing their prey items as quickly as possible, but also tenderizing the bones.
Oh. Oh.
Cute, huh?
A beautiful, beautiful 2.5 meter wingspan. I think this is actually the best weather for him today. All right,
Yes,
so
boy.
these are primarily our marine birds, and how we can tell that is if you just have a look at those nice short stumpy little legs, and of course his feet are webbed. And what that does, excuse me, they don't pay me enough, you know. Anyways, like I was saying, so those feet just simply help them to paddle under the water. Out in the wild, they generally work together as a nice, successful little team by herding all the available food items. They herd all the available food items together. Once this is achieved, they each take turns one by one and they dip their heads deep down into the water. Folks, would you believe me if I told you that wingspan of theirs can actually hold up to as much as 9 liters of water at a time? So when they come up to the surface, they close the beak and all the excess water squeezes out the side, trapping all the available food items behind. So whatever is left behind is what they swallow down whole.
Yeah, good one.
Which one?
Something is yellow. Like.
It's this one.
What's
It's here.
this one here? This one. This one here.
Both of them.
This one. Hello. How cute does that sound?
Hey.
Hello. I think the thing chopping. You saw it, isn't it?
See what you think to himself. Those two. Sorry, come on.
Except put your finger.
No.
No, I get out to the hospital. Don't do You're shitting at me. Yeah.
Hmm.
I saw that video. Only she talks like that. But it was nice.
No, I don't. It is natural, but it's not perennial.
It's not a water.
It's very steep, huh?
It is a waterfall.
No.
It is. You can see it.
What is this?
Who in you? Next to the peacocks. Oh. Whoa.
Oh.
Checking the crowd over. These are actually they come bite us. Actually, peacocks don't bite. You know they buy Garden Bridge. Full peacocks when you go.
Ooh, God, that's not good. No, don't you
Swami.
is our national bird. Hey?
Yeah, lad.
Hello, blue
The
crane.
national barrow.
It's our national bird.
No, take a picture like this.
No.
Salt storm. Look at this one. Green, Mom. Green. Oh, it's a plane. And guys, wait. There's a stop there. Right there. And we're looking there. Stop there.
That's the one they picked in.
Hello. No, are you? Are you? Come. Hello.
Really?
Like, seriously, dude. Sorry, got bothered. You think there's a mouth? How come they have peacocks just feeding here?
I'm just not getting focus on it.
Where's my phone?
Your phone is worse with focus. There we go.
So much you can see on my phone. I just don't care.
Jump.
What is it?